TheTrendsetters.com.
Touching can't help but get in the moment and start to get emotion. Looking in your eyes, I'm so deep inside. Know you feeling emotion. I can feel your heartbeat, beat, beat. Now your body's telling me you're emotion. Hit the spot. Now you're calling me. I know that you're emotional.
Hey, Mom, can I buy a little time? Express some thoughts that I got up on my mind. Fucking 10, cause you more than just a dime. Once heard, if you seek, then you should find. Skip them games, girl, I'm trying to make you mine. Hold up, cause I know you heard that line. Type of chick that'll make you wait in line. Well, same place, same time, it's a sign. Put my brace, let me start off with your name. What's the sign of baby girl, what's the age? You look legal, but I ain't trying to catch a case. I see the smoke up on your face. Not being rude, girl, but I can't wait. See what you down to do back in my place. Being direct, girl, let's get it straight, cuz right now I'm not down for a chase. Let's keep it real, there's no time to waste. So you looking for love, it's just a way to escape. Either way, no complaints, you can have it your way. You need a fresh start, baby, we can move out the States. You got a hold on your brain, baby, break off from chains. They never look back when you make your way out the gate. Past the asshole face, me and you equal fate. Choice is yours, all you gotta do is give me your day. I see you smiling, so that means you liking what you hear. I'm something you ain't used to, so it's okay to be scared. I got that real love, that shit you really need. Call me your angel, baby, I'm here to set you free.
Every time that we touch and can't help but get in the moment and start to get emotion. Looking in your eyes, I'm so deep inside. Are you feeling emotion? I can feel your heartbeat, beat, beat. Now your body's telling me you're emotion. Hit the spot. Now you're calling me. I know that you're emotional.
1 time, 2 time, 3 time, 4. Love it home cooked, but she got me wanting to eat out more. She like, do what you want, cause I swear it's all yours. Never making love, rather be my personal whore. Loves it when I'm in control, hands up on all fours. My little secret, everything we do stays behind these closed doors. Says I'm the freakiest that she's messed with before. That gets me going, now we go straight from the bed to the floor. I can tell by the look in your eyes that you love how I penetrate, gripping your thighs, knocking air out your lungs when I'm deep down inside. No surprise, you can tell I'm no average guy. Find your lips so hard that it's making you cry. Keep yelling, give it to me, trying to put up a fight. Nice try, but we in for a hell of a night. It's only round 1, you said that you can handle me right. Give you a break and flip you over for the 69. Juice is flowing and I'm digging how that pussy sounds. Yeah, baby, I'm nasty. You shouldn't have to ask me. I go that extra mile, only if it makes you happy.
Every time that we touch and can't help but get in the moment and start to get emotion. Looking in your eyes, I'm so deep inside. Are you feeling emotion? I can feel your heartbeat, beat, beat. Now your body's telling me you're emotion. Hit the spot. Now you're calling me. I know that you're emotional.
I'll be your daddy, baby. Just be my freaky lady. Body can hypnotize, plus your tongue drives me crazy. I've been fiending lately. I need to take a hit. We can fuck in public, I'm with whatever, miss. Just wanna see you strip. Send me a nasty pic so I can visualize what I'm about to do to it. I'll be right here waiting across my bed naked. The key is under the mat whenever you make it.
Every time that we touch and can't help but get in the moment and start to get emotion. So deep inside, are you feeling emotion? I can feel your heartbeat, beat, beat. Now your body's telling me you're emotion. Hit the spot. Now you're calling me.